Hello there, freshmen. Miss Diaz here. Today, our goal is to talk about Google Meet. Right, this is a program that we an online platform that we're going to be using for our online conferencing and lessons that I teach and whatnot that we'll use in class. Okay, so what I'm going to go through today is what is Google Meet, some of the features, how to use it, um, and just like what it could benefit you guys as a student and me as a teacher. So um, we're going to go ahead and let me get my mouse here. So let's see, we'll do it with clicks. So Google Meet is an online conferencing tool. All right, and so what that means is it's a way for people to connect online, face to face, like through a video call. You guys might be familiar like with FaceTime. It's similar to that, all right? But this is a way for a teacher to even present material, to conference with students or their parent, either in a classroom or in a virtual setting, okay? So, um, I'm trying to get this mouse to work and it is not handling it for me today. So I'm not sure what's going on here, but we'll give it another shot. So, what can I use Google Meet for? All right. This is, I've kind of hinted at a few things already, but you can use it for conference calls, presentations, meeting a friend face to face. You can collaborate with peers on a school project, like if you're at home and it's the weekend and you need to do something together. You can use it to teach lessons. Okay. So, why do you need Google Meet? Well, Google Meet, or excuse me, what do I need to use Google Meet? It's pretty simple. As long as you have something that can access Google, you're probably going to be okay. But more importantly, just you need a phone, a tablet, or a desktop computer. Okay. Some other features of Google Meet is it's secure. You can have multiple people on a conference call. You can actually join in anytime. So if this started at one particular time and you're like 5 minutes late, that's good to go. Okay. You it can be recorded for later use. It's easy to use straight from Google Classroom. So when we're using Google Classroom, it's I'm going to show you. It's just right on that screen. Okay. You can share your screen and closed captions are available. And there's also a whiteboard feature. All right, so those are some features of Google Meet that make it very user friendly, and teachers and students alike are going to like that. Okay, so how do I join a call? Because this is going to be like a conference call. All right, your presenter will generate a specific code, and then they will share it with their targeted audience. And once you have that code, you'll just go to meet.google.com and you will be prompted to enter your code and click continue. And then you'll click ask to join and you will have to wait until you are given access because not anybody can just join. Your presenter or your teacher will make sure for the security reasons that you are asked to join and then they will allow you in. All right. Now, this says you can use meet.google.com and that's great. You can, but you can also get to it straight from Google Classroom. Okay. So, what do I do when I join the call? You need to do a few things. You want to make sure that your camera is on. You want to make sure that your microphone is connected, but you want to mute it so that your background noise won't be heard by the other parties. And you want to follow along, okay? Some features of Google Meet once you're in there, it's pretty neat. You are able to raise a hand. There's like a button to click to raise a hand if you have a question. You can add an emoji or a reaction. You can turn on your own captions. You can even change your background for more privacy. You can participate in a chat. So often presenters as they're presenting their things, there's a chat involved as well where like they might put a link for something that you need to go to for later to reference. And so that's a good little place to house that URL. All right, so it doesn't get lost and the audience is trying to write down a URL real quick. They've got it in that chat that they can just access later. Okay. So that's a handy little tool. And you can share your screen. All right. Um, once Okay, so once you kind of understand those features, what I'm going to do here, I hope, if my computer is going to let me, I'm gonna open up, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to like open a tab on Google Meet. So it's meet.google.com. I'm going to delete the rest of that. Okay, and so this is what it's going to look like. As a presenter, I would click New Meeting. All right. And if I hit start an instant meeting, it's going to go ahead and start. But I'm using a different program today to video this, but that's where that would be. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like in Google Classroom. Okay. Google Meet's pretty easy to use. So if you were in Google Classroom, all right, let me go to a class here. If we went into our first hour English class, you can see over on the side Google Meet right here and click join. All right. And that's how you would get into a Google Meet with us in class. Okay. So Google Meet's pretty easy to use. I hope you guys got some information from that and have a fantastic day. Thanks.